good songs I have made, and so many fine verses to my name, that I will never enter blame. My lady, if I thought you stayed so hard against me now, I know I've lost you, but at least even so, you are not taken from me, though, by any fault of mine, for shame. It's true that many a time they said and whispered to me dark and low that it would go with me badly, so that I loved and was not loved instead. But there where love takes up its stay, it's a hard and forbidden force, unless it changes its own course and sets its care another way. But now I am so full of joy that I don't remember all my pain, from anger and dismay, a chain. She's drawn me with her eyes, employ her lovely, loving eyes that slay and fashion me. She who has given my joy to me, for since I've driven my sight to her, I lost senses away. Love did a noble deed there, strong for such rich joy he's brought to me. All wrongs he ever did to me are worth this guerdon like a song. So my rancor ends its fight, for her worth and her aid combined come to my rescue, so well designed. All her wrongs turn to right. Who sees her beautiful bearings art, with which she's drawn me to her side, can know by certain sign, clear-eyed, that her body is beautiful and good at heart, and white beneath her clothing. So I do not say it except by guess, that snow, when she is naked, no less, beside her seems brown and dark and low. My lady, if false envious folk who have taken many a good day from me, set up an ambush craftily to find out how it stands with us to cloak their talk with vile and sneaking breath. Be lost or brought to dread by me. This love will never be said, be sure of that, until my death. Fair seeing, you have a destiny. It is well known, this truth I tell, that whoever has seen you once and well will never bear a grudge against you, no, not he. Song, go now to L'amour, assure my fair-seeing senses greeting there. Whoever has lost worth, be sure his worth grows and becomes more fair.